Hey Junior Giants, we are back at it again for Orange Friday. I've got some of my Giants orange on, and I've also got my lab coat on because today we're going to do some science. I'm going to teach you guys how to stay cool during these hot summer days with one of our favorite summer treats, ice cream. Alrighty guys, before we get started, let's go over some of the ingredients we'll need for our delicious experiment. We'll need about a cup of half and half, some vanilla extract, some sugar, this cup of salt, a small Ziploc baggie, a big Ziploc baggie, and lots of ice. So the first step for our experiment today will be preparing the small bag. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take that cup of half and half, we're going to pour it into our Ziploc bag, so nice and slow, no spills guys. Perfect. After we do that, we're going to take some of our sugar, and we're just going to dump some in, however much you want. And then finally our vanilla extract to give it that flavor we like. Alright, go ahead and zip it up, give it a nice little shake, mix the ingredients around real well, and we can move on to our big bag. Okay guys, now that we have our first bag done, we can go ahead and set it to the side here. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to open up that bigger bag, and we're going to start dumping ice into it, okay? So let's remember that the melting point of ice is 0 Celsius. And when we add a salt to it, it's going to drop down to -6 Celsius, making it a lot colder. Now let's add our salt to the mixture. And we're going to mix it up real nice, make sure everything is mixed really well in this bag. Finally guys, it's time to add our little bag into our big bag. So go ahead and open that big bag up real nice and wide. Stick that small bag in there right in the center. Make sure everything is nice and sealed really tightly. And it takes about 20 minutes for salt to dissolve ice, so we gotta move kind of quick here guys. Go ahead and try to push all the air out as you can. Another chemistry lesson here is that heat equals energy. And heat always wants to go into places where there's not enough heat to make something we like to call equilibrium. So the heat that the cream feels inside the bag of ice wants to escape to the rest of the ice and help melt it. So that's going to make our ice cream have that like thick texture to it and more kind of like snowy that we're used to. So go ahead and seal this up real nice and tight and give it a nice little shake. Another tip I want to give you guys is that this bag is going to get really cold on your bare hands, so it's okay to use a towel if you need to. Go ahead and lay the towel down, put your bag on the towel, and you can shake it from there. Alright guys, after we've shaken the bag for quite some time, we can open up our big bag and check on our little one. So it looks like it's gotten real nice and creamy, way more liquid than what we started out with. So go ahead and try to dry off as much as you can off that bag. Remove any of the salt that might have gotten on there. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like salty ice cream. Go ahead and open it up. And it is very much like ice cream, kind of like snow. So there you can kind of see that it's become a lot more like snow or ice cream that we're used to. And it's actually ready to eat. But before we do that, I think I want to add some chocolate chips to it. And now you can try your delicious experiment at home. Perfect. Hope you guys had fun with this experiment. I'm glad we learned a little bit more about chemistry today and the way that heat moves through different particles. I had a lot of fun teaching you guys today, and also a lot of fun eating this ice cream. Hope you guys enjoy it. Stay cool this summer, and don't forget to keep looking in your digital dugout for more awesome experiments. And remember, now that we're at the house a lot more often, it's okay to definitely try some new experiments. Look more at the different things we can learn every single day, whether it's reading, math, science. I hope you guys are staying active, healthy, and go Junior Giants.